Hey guys, Sky Pilot here. Yes, the Beta 95x version 3 finally completed, and I'm going to take it on its maiden flight. Check out the build I did of this recently up on the screen there. I'm going to be running a 463S on the roof. I've got TBS crossfire, little 5.8 gig right hand circular BetaFPV lollipop on the rear there for my VTX. This thing was really great fun to build, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. So like I said, yeah, check out that build video. Links down below, of course, as always guys. Text and specs are also in the description. Let's see how she flies. I'm hoping it's going to fly quite well. Thanks for stopping by guys. Let's go. She's looking a bit powdery at the moment down here, so I think I'll use one of these concrete blocks. Okay, I shall kick things off with a quick line of sight. And we're off. Ooh, very nice. Ooh, I like it. Very smooth. Pretty smooth, guys. Okay, goggles recording. And we're off. Oh, I seem to have a link quality light. Have a link quality warning there, guys. Okay. Flies really nice, guys. I have not set up my RSSI crossfire correctly, as I'm getting a link quality warning. Also, there's a tiny bit of jello there. I'm not too concerned about it. Let's head up the hill here. Yeah, there's a bit of jello there, guys. I may have one of my nuts a little bit tight with my flight controller. I may have one of the flight controller nuts a little bit too tight, which could explain that jello. Not to worry. Flies really well, guys. This flies really well. And look, it's not a quad you would buy for the VTX video quality, as you can put a little GoPro on the roof there, which is nicely dampened. Overall quality though of the VTX I think is really good. Let me know what you think in the comments. Of course the TBS is doing really well. I have no idea about my signal because I haven't set up the RSSI properly. Oh dear, not to worry. Quick flyby. I think you'll agree it's a very smooth flyer, guys. Very smooth. Nice. And the BetaFPV antenna at the rear is doing a good job too. Let's see if I can slowly cruise through here, which I think I can because that's what this unit is for. I think I could be running out of power, and yes, run out of power.